I came in to see Dr. Talei.
Some people's faces don't like filler. And like if we go back to yours, like this is after we deflated the filler, but your face just did not like filler.
Nicole came to me about half a year ago and was concerned about the way her face had changed. And she didn't really understand what was happening, but she knew she didn't like her lips.
And if you look, this one was cool. So that was filler.
Filler.
Your face does not like filler. And that's Juvederm. That's the color that Juvederm gives.
The lips had been overfilled with Juvederm, making the lips protrude out from the side, made them longer, made the color change. It was now patchy, salmon, white, weird color, and it just didn't look right. It looked sloppy, it looked floppy, and she looked older and strange.
You see how the color changes? It's like white and blotchy kind of looking, and then we dehydrated it, so now it's the opposite. It goes kind of dehydrated. Now it's in the middle. This is where her natural lip color is. So this is what you're supposed to look like. So you're finally there and your lip moves better now. So your smile there was not moving properly.
No.
We got rid of it. That actually looks nice to me. Your smile here looks very nice to me. That's natural and it moves, but the lip filler was inhibiting that. And now you can see it's just kind of relaxed and nice and even. So more
amazing.
Tooth show, and just more relaxed smile overall. And you can see that contour.
What's even more exciting is the weekend lift. The weekend lift is a lift that I've been developing over the past 6 years, and the past year or two I've been getting these really, really impressive results with it. What the weekend lift is a combination of 4 different things that I do. Sometimes I augment the chin a little bit, sometimes I go and I make an incision under here or behind the ear and tighten up the muscle. Sometimes I do a little liposuction, but every time I do profound radio frequency. That's kind of the secret sauce in all of this and helps make everything look better.
All the improvements here are from profound. That's from profound. Jawline from profound. This is all the internal neck tightening, and you can see her ear was about to like start dripping down, and it doesn't now.
I had a jawline.
The amazing part about it is you can get an internal neck lift on somebody who doesn't need any skin removal, like Nicole, and you get these impressive results without making any obvious incisions, meaning no skin has to be removed, because most people, especially at that age, aren't developing skin laxity. It's actually just muscle laxity.
That's all for muscle tightening. That's all it is. And you just got to access it from both sides, lift the glands back up, lift everything back up, and that's just a massive improvement, especially in that horizontal. And even your folds here around the mouth there.
The nasolabial folds get lighter, the marionette lines get lighter, it tightens the jawline, the skin looks more radiant.
And a lot of people actually, for this to enhance the chin, they would put a chin implant in that, which would look terrible on you.
Yeah.
And this was with no chin implant, nothing.
It's a super, super impressive thing that patients can do. And we call it the weekend lift because originally the recovery was just a weekend, the way that I was doing it. Now it's about a week, but I'm not going to change it to the week lift, so we kept it as the weekend lift.
I can wear my hair up now. I have so much confidence in going out with, low cut shirts without having to worry about, oh, can you see my neck? Can you see this whole area in here that just looks really saggy and droopy? And it's been a total change in my life, and I'm so thankful. It is amazing. Everything looks amazing.
Yeah. Well, you look amazing.
Oh, thank you.
And you're so sweet for letting us share this.
Yes, of course.
You're the best. You did more for me than I did for you.
Oh, well, I don't know about that. It's my face, so I appreciate it. It's good.